10 Best Foods to Help Alleviate Sleep Apnea. Sleep apnea is a condition that causes repeated interruptions in breathing during sleep, often leading to poor rest, fatigue, and other health issues. While medical treatment is essential, dietary choices can also play a helpful role. Certain foods have been shown to reduce inflammation, improve breathing, and promote better sleep quality. Here are the 10 best foods to help alleviate sleep apnea. 1. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support better sleep patterns. 2. Edamame, these green soybeans are loaded with magnesium, a mineral known to relax muscles and support deep sleep. 3. Avocados, packed with potassium, avocados help balance fluids in the body, which may reduce airway obstruction during sleep. 4. Valerian root tea, this herbal tea has calming effects that may enhance sleep quality by boosting GABA, a brain chemical that promotes relaxation. 5. Grapefruit, high in vitamin C and antioxidants, grapefruit helps reduce oxidative stress that can worsen sleep apnea symptoms. 6. Bananas, they contain serotonin and potassium, both of which support muscle function and regulate sleep cycles. 7. Almonds, rich in magnesium, almonds help relax airway muscles and promote uninterrupted sleep. 8. Lettuce, lettuce contains lactucarium, a mild natural sedative that may promote easier and deeper sleep. 9. Pineapple, this tropical fruit is high in manganese, which aids serotonin production, important for sleep regulation. 10. Oatmeal, a good source of complex carbs, oatmeal encourages serotonin release and steady blood sugar, supporting restful sleep. Incorporating these foods into your diet may help ease sleep apnea symptoms. However, always consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.